All right, part two. Let's start with those crunches, okay? But this time we're gonna do the legs together with the crunch. So we're reaching out and crunching. Only extend your legs out as far as it feels comfortable. If you need to do it smaller range, you can do a smaller range. If you want to make it harder, reach all the way up, then crunch in and out. Exhale as you crunch. Keep it up. We got 10 more seconds. Okay, now we're doing our side plank, but this time, whether it's from your feet or from your knees, we're doing hip down, hip up, okay? Hip down, hip up. Again, it's easier to bend your knees, lift your hip up. What's most important is that your body's in a straight line. When we switch sides, I'm going to change my view so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And again, a little bit harder than going from the knees is one leg up. Okay, switch sides. I'm going to show you head-on view, keeping your body totally straight, lifting up and down. And you could go, again, do it straight, but make sure that your knees aren't bent and you're out of misalignment. Totally straight body, hip down, hip up. Hip down, hip up. Keep rolling. And now we're going to do a Russian twist with a weight. Use one weight or two weights, but we're going side to side. Side to side. And if it's too easy, again, another weight. We'll do the trick. If it's too hard, keep those feet on the ground and go from side to side. You can vary it. You put your feet down and then grab the extra weight to make it harder. Or you could just put the weights down and keep the feet up, whatever you prefer. Okay, now we're gonna do our sit-ups with the weight, which is gonna make it a little bit easier at first because you could use the momentum of the weight to kind of pull yourself up, but that's not our purpose here. Our purpose here is to go up and bring that weight straight up so it's a little harder, and come down slow. Up normal, and bring it down slow. That's called the eccentric part of the exercise, is when you come back down. It actually works your body harder than the concentric part. Keep it up. 10 seconds left. Okay, now we're gonna do leg circles. So, hands underneath the butt, legs out. Then we can do circular motion this time. Again, if it's too hard, keep those knees bent and do it with bent knees. Go each way. You could count in your head, either doing 5 one way and then 5 the other way, which is the method I like the best. If it's hard for you to get to 10 in a row, you could always just do 1 circle one way, 1 circle the other way, and just keep going until you need to take a break or do a modification. Another one, you can take your legs separately and do individual circles with each leg, and then do the reverse as well too. We're almost to our last part, number 6 of round 2, which is going to be our plank. Okay. This time, as I said before, you could do this different ways by lifting an arm or a leg. So we'll do 15 seconds on one leg, 15 on the other leg, 15 on one arm, 15 on the other arm. So let's switch legs now. And again, you can do this from your knees as well too. You just lift up a leg when you're on your knee. Okay, arms are going to be a little bit harder to do. So let's go ahead, let's lift an arm now. Keep that sucker up. If you spread your feet out wider, that's always going to make it a little bit easier. Solid, more solid base. And let's switch arms. Keeping your body straight. 10 more seconds. And then we're on to round 3. All right, awesome job so far.